Most mechanics won't recommend a Ferrari or a BMW or anything flashy. Ask them what they'd buy with their own money, and you'll hear the same vehicles over and over again. The cars on this list regularly reach 250,000 miles. Some cross 300,000. And the number one vehicle might be the safest used car purchase in America. Let's start with a former police car that refuses to die. Number 8, 2005 to 2011 Ford Crown Victoria. Typical price, $4,000 to $9,000. There's a reason police departments trusted the Crown Victoria for years. They couldn't kill it. These cars spent their lives idling for hours, jumping curbs, getting driven aggressively, and absorbing abuse that would shorten the life of most vehicles. Yet they kept showing up for work. The legendary 4.6-litre V8 isn't exciting. It's not particularly fuel efficient, but it earned a reputation for durability. Many former police cars and taxicabs crossed 300,000 miles. Some went much farther. Parts are affordable, repairs are straightforward, and nearly every mechanic knows how to work on one. Fuel economy is the biggest downside, but if your goal is longevity, few vehicles have proven themselves more thoroughly. Number 7, 2003 to 2008 Pontiac Vibe. Typical price, $4,500 to $8,500. The Pontiac Vibe may be the biggest used car bargain most buyers completely ignore. Most people see a Pontiac badge and keep scrolling. That's exactly why it's such a deal, because underneath, you're getting Toyota DNA. The Vibe shares much of its engineering with the Toyota Matrix. And that's great news for owners. The 1.8-litre engine earned an outstanding reputation for longevity. Maintenance costs stay low, fuel economy remains solid, and cargo space is surprisingly useful. Many mechanics smile when they see one, not because they're expecting expensive repairs, because they know these vehicles usually just keep going. Number 6, 2005 to 2011 Lexus ES 330/ES 350. Typical price, $5,500 to $10,000. Most luxury cars become expensive as they age. The Lexus ES did something rare. It stayed dependable. Underneath the luxury badge sits proven Toyota engineering. And that's exactly why mechanics trust them. The ES combines comfort, quietness, and reliability better than almost any luxury sedan in its price range. Many owners cross 250,000 miles. Quite a few reach 300,000, and they often do it without the repair bills that sink many European luxury cars. No vehicle is perfect. Suspension parts wear out. Oil leaks can develop with age. But compared to its competitors, ownership remains remarkably affordable. That's why mechanics often recommend the ES to buyers who want luxury without financial pain. We've covered some reliable vehicles already, but the next 4 are where mechanics stop saying good and start saying buy one. These are the vehicles technicians recommend to their own friends, their own kids, and their own parents, and one of them has become almost impossible to wear out. Number 5, 2005 to 2012 Toyota Avalon. Typical price, $6,000 to $12,000. The Toyota Avalon may be the most underrated vehicle on this entire list. Most buyers chase Camrys, Accords, and SUVs. Meanwhile, Avalon owners quietly rack up incredible mileage. The reason starts with Toyota's proven 3.5-litre V6, smooth, powerful, and capable of lasting an extremely long time. Many owners cross 250,000 miles, plenty reach 300,000, and some continue driving them long after most people would have traded them in. Mechanics love predictable ownership. The Avalon delivers exactly that. Water pumps wear out, suspension components age, But major surprises are relatively uncommon. That's exactly what long-term owners want. Number 4, 2003 to 2008 Toyota Corolla. Typical price, $5,000 to $9,000. If reliability had a mascot, it would probably be the Toyota Corolla. The Corolla became famous for doing something most vehicles struggle to accomplish: nothing. And that's a compliment. Owners buy them, drive them, maintain them, and often forget about them because they rarely demand attention. The 1.8-litre engine built one of the strongest reputations in automotive history. Maintenance costs remain low, fuel economy is excellent, parts are inexpensive, and major repairs are relatively uncommon. Many mechanics have seen Corollas with 250,000 miles still running every day. Some have seen them cross 300,000, others even farther. The Corolla isn't exciting, but that's not the point. The point is that it keeps showing up year after year, while many competitors disappear. Most vehicles become less impressive as they age. The next 3 did the opposite. The longer they've been on the road, the stronger their reputation has become. And one of them may be the smartest used car purchase in America. Before we continue, if you're trying to avoid expensive car mistakes and save thousands on your next vehicle, hit subscribe. That's exactly what we do here every week. Now let's get into the vehicles mechanics trust most. The next vehicle is where things get really expensive. One thing to keep in mind, truck repairs can get expensive fast. If you want to protect yourself, we've added a trusted warranty provider in the description where you can check coverage and pricing. Number 3, 2003 to 2007 Honda Accord 2.4. Typical price, $5,500 to $10,000. If there were a Hall of Fame for used cars, the Honda Accord would have its own wing. For decades, it has been one of America's most trusted vehicles, and that didn't happen by accident. The 2.4-litre four-cylinder engine earned a reputation for longevity. Fuel economy remains respectable. Parts are available almost everywhere. Repair costs stay manageable. And ownership is generally straightforward. Many Accord owners keep their vehicles for well over a decade. Some push them beyond 300,000 miles. Power steering leaks, starter replacements, oil consumption. These issues happen, but they're usually manageable compared to the major failures that sink other vehicles. The Accord isn't just reliable, it's one of the best balanced vehicles ever built. We're down to the final 2. And if you've ever stood inside a repair shop and asked a mechanic what used car they'd buy with their own money, chances are one of these vehicles was part of the answer. The next 2 have spent decades building a reputation most manufacturers can only dream about. One became famous for reliability. The other became legendary. Number 2, 2009 to 2011 Honda Civic. Typical price, $6,000 to $11,000. The Honda Civic spent decades proving itself 1 mile at a time. Students drove them through college. Families used them as daily transportation. Commuters relied on them every day. And somehow they just kept going. It's common to find Civics with 200,000 miles. It's common to find them with 250,000 miles. And finding one with 300,000 miles isn't nearly as shocking as it should be. The recipe is simple. Excellent fuel economy, affordable parts, straightforward maintenance, and a design that stood the test of time. When mechanics recommend the Civic, they're not recommending a trend, they're recommending decades of proven reliability. Before we reveal number 1, consider this. If your mechanic had to buy a used car tomorrow with their own money for their spouse, for their child, or for themselves, there's a very good chance this is the vehicle they'd choose. Number 1, 2007 to 2011 Toyota Camry. Typical price, $6,000 to $12,000. The Toyota Camry has become so reliable that people almost take it for granted. Think about that. A vehicle becomes boring because it works too well. That's basically the Camry story. For decades, it has quietly built one of the strongest reliability records in the automotive industry. Reliable engines, affordable maintenance, good fuel economy, and predictable ownership costs. Many mechanics have seen Camrys with 250,000 miles still running every day. Some have seen them cross 300,000, others even farther. The Camry became famous because owners know exactly what they're getting. A vehicle that starts every morning, gets them where they need to go, and rarely surprises them with massive repair bills. There are faster cars, more luxurious cars, and more exciting cars. But when mechanics recommend a vehicle with their own reputation on the line, the Camry is often the answer. That's why it takes the number one spot. The best used cars aren't always the newest. They aren't always the fastest. And they usually aren't the most expensive. The vehicles mechanics recommend most often tend to have something else. A proven track record. The cars on this list earned respect by surviving, by staying affordable, and by helping owners avoid the expensive mistakes that send so many vehicles to the scrapyard early. If you've owned one of these vehicles, let us know how many miles it reached in the comments. And if you're shopping for a used car right now, watch our next video on the cars owners regret buying most. Because sometimes knowing what to avoid is just as valuable as knowing what to buy. Buy smarter. Save thousands. If you want more like this, subscribe and watch this next.